Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a very common problem with Payoneer, which is not receiving the SMS on your phone. Even if you click here on request call, here call me, they don't call you. Now by the way, if you haven't done that already, just try to click on call me and see if it works. But I will show you exactly how to fix this problem. Now first I will show you why Payoneer does this sometimes. Now one of the reasons is you already have an account with similar details, so if that's the case, please call them. There will be the number when you click on call support at the very bottom. You will see their support number, and then you can call them, and then you can disable the account you don't use. Another thing is hackers. Payoneer, like hackers love Payoneer because they have stolen millions of dollars for Payoneer, and sometimes Payoneer, what they do is they don't send the verification code to everyone. Okay, so just in case you don't know this. Okay, so another thing you may be using and not noticing is VPN. If you are using VPN, Payoneer will not send you the verification code. So if you are using any sort of VPN, don't just disable it and then close your browser and then open it again. Okay, now another thing is, if this doesn't work on your on your laptop, you want to check if it works on your phone. Now just download the app inside your app store if you are using iPhone, or Play Store if you are using Android, and then search for Payoneer and then download it. That way you can access your own funds and then you can withdraw them or whatever you can do with your Payoneer. Now just in case this doesn't work on your laptop, probably they blocked your IP address, you can try to use mobile data inside your phone and download the app inside your phone. Okay, now another thing is to check your phone if you are blocking unknown senders. Okay, because probably you have blocked that on your phone, and even Payoneer sends the verification code but your phone blocks it, so you don't see it. So make sure you go to your iPhone settings and make sure you unblock unknown senders. That way you will be able to get verification code. Now if you have any questions, like tell me how long you have been experiencing this problem in the comments. I may provide you with another solution. So just go to the comments below and tell me exactly what you are struggling with, and I will reply to you. If this video helped you, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. Drop a like. See you in the next tutorial.